Wow, look at all these cars.
So many. And none of them can fly. That's embarrassing.
They thought these were fast.
How fast?
That was one shot. 30 seconds, no cuts, dialogue and all. Made in CapCut with Seedance 2.5. It's live now, and there's a lot in this update. There's also 2 things about I don't love, and one of them is why I'm still not using it for paid work. But I'll get to that at the end after you've seen what it actually does. So the big one is 30 seconds in a single generation. Native. Not for clips stitched together and hoping the faces matches. One pass, one take. And if that's not enough, you can extend it twice. So you're looking at about 90 seconds total on the same scene. That number sounds small until you try to write for it. 5 seconds is a moment. 30 seconds, it's a scene. You can set something up, let it breathe, land a joke. Then there's references. 50 of them in one generation. And not just images. Video goes in, audio goes in, all in the same batch. So you can hand it a character, a product, a voice, a camera move you like from another clip, and it pulls from all of it at once. 11 languages now, done properly. Write your prompt in Spanish or Portuguese and what comes back sounds like Spanish or Portuguese. The voiceover, the subtitles, all of it. That was a mess before. And the one I like most? Local editing. You point at one piece of the clip, second 4 to second 8, and you can change only that. Swap the background there, fix a detail there. Everything else stays exactly how it was. 30-second renders would be painful without it. There's also timestamp control, where you tell it what happens at which second, and green screen replacement. Those 2 I'll save for another video because I haven't pushed them hard enough yet to have an opinion. Alright, enough talking. Let's make something. Here's the plan. A kid and his little robot walking through an abandoned car dealership. One continuous shot, 30 seconds, and they talk the whole way. I'm giving you this one image as reference. That's the boy, that's the robot, and that's the look I want to hold. Everything happens in the chat box. Model first, Seedance 2.5, then 16:9, 30 seconds, 720p, standard. Reference image in, prompt in, send. Okay, let's see the result.
Wow, look at all these cars.
So many. And none of them can fly. That's embarrassing.
They thought these were fast.
How fast?
60 miles an hour.
60? I've fallen over faster than that.
You fall over a lot.
That's why I'm an expert.
The vibe is what got me. Warm light, dust in the air, the 2 of them laughing at the parking lot full of dead cars. It feels like a scene out of something, not just a test clip. The only thing is 720p. Look at the rust, look at that sign. It's soft. On your phone nobody's gonna care, but full screen you see it. 720p is the ceiling. That's it. That's what you get. And 2.0 gives you 4K. So the new model goes down on resolution, which is a strange call. And it costs more per generation. Longer clip, bigger bill, and you feel it after a few tries. Look, this is just my opinion, and some of you are gonna disagree. The clip is good, I'm not arguing with the clip, but I'm paying more than I pay on 2.0 and getting something I have to upscale afterward. And that math doesn't work for me right now. So I'm staying on 2.0. The day this gets a real resolution option, I'm switching same day. It's live in CapCut Web if you want to run your own test. Tell me in the comments what you think about the new Seedance 2.5, and if you pull something sharper out of it than I did, I really want to see it. See you in the next one.